Hello, welcome to our lesson for today, still on logarithms, where you're going to look at logarithms of positive numbers less than 1. Logarithms of positive numbers less than 1. Logarithms of positive numbers less than 1. Just like we looked at logarithm of numbers greater than 10, the same procedure you apply. Express the number in standard form. Express the number in standard form. So that is the form of a times 10 to power n. And then the second procedure will be read the log of a from the tables. And then the third one, get the sum of the whole part. Get the sum of the whole part. And then you will have been able to get the log of your numbers less than 10. Let's take some examples. And you are told to find the logarithm of the first one. We take 0.034. You're told to express that number in standard form. You can see that the number 0.034 is a number less than 1. So the number 0.034 is expressed in standard form. The decimal moves 2 steps to the right so that it can come between 3 and 4. So we are going to say this will be 3.4 times 10. Now that it has moved twice, then you say negative 2. The next thing that we need to do is to read the log of 3.4 from the mathematical tables. So log 3.4. If you read the logarithm of 3.4 from the tables, you're going to get 0.5315. You can confirm that from your tables. Therefore, the log of 0.034 is the same as saying the logarithm of 3.4, which is this, and this means 10 raised to 0.5315. Of course, 10 raised to this, which is the logarithms, gives us the number, times 10 raised to negative 2. Because this is the 10, you have 10 raised to negative 2. And again, because we are multiplying, we're just going to add the logarithms by saying 0.5315 plus negative 2. I'm just going to say negative 2 plus 0.5315. Again, remember we said logarithm has 2 parts. The whole number part, which is the characteristic, and the decimal part, which is the mantissa. So this negative 2 is added to 0 to give us negative 2. And therefore this will be expressed as bar 2.5315. This negative is placed above 2 to show that it is only the characteristic that is negative. The rest is positive. And therefore we read this as bar 2.5315. And that is the logarithm of 0.034. Maybe you can take another example. 0.57. Class, first thing expressed in standard form, which becomes 5.7 times 10 to power negative 1. Then we read the log of 5.7. If you read the log of 5.7, you're going to get 0 log 5.7 will be 0.7559. You can confirm that from the mathematical tables. And therefore, log 0.57 will now be negative 1 plus 0.7559, and that will give us bar 1.7559. That is the logarithm of 0.57, bar 1.7559. We could also have another example where we have 0.00063, and you're told to get the logarithm of that number. Again, we express 0.00063 in standard form. The decimal moves 4 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 6.3 times 10 to the power negative 4. And therefore now you can see it becomes very easy. The characteristic is bar 4. Therefore you can just introduce that bar 4 point. What is log of 6.3? If you read that from the mathematical tables, you get 0.7993. So it's bar 4.7993. And that is the logarithm of that particular number. It is now my hope that with more practice, you'll be able to express numbers or get a logarithm of numbers that are less than 1. It is as simple as I have demonstrated. Thank you for your attention.